Assalamualaikum and hi, we are from Group 2. I am Alisha Danamitiansri and I'll be explaining what is life assurance underwriting is. Life assurance underwriting involved a detailed process where the insurer assesses the risk of insuring an individual's life. This process is crucial for determining the premiums that policyholders will pay and to ensure the insurer remains financially viable. The underwriting process in Malaysia typically encompasses several key steps, which includes application submission, risk assessment, and final decision on coverage. Initially, prospective policyholders complete an application form that includes personal information, medical history, lifestyle details, and other relevant data. This information helps underwriters evaluate the risk associated with providing coverage. Applicants may also need to undergo medical examinations or provide their medical reports from their doctors. Underwriters use a combination of manual assessments and automated systems to analyze the collected data. They consider various factors such as age, gender, occupation, health status, family medical history, and lifestyle choices like smoking or alcohol consumption. They will classify the applicants into different risk categories, which will influence the premium rates. By using this procedure, they are able to determine reasonable and precise premium rates, which guarantees the insurance company continued financial stability and ability to settle claims as they arise. Effective underwriting also prevents fraud by thoroughly checking the information provided by the applicants.
Next, I will explain about medical underwriting. Medical underwriting is how insurance companies check your health to decide if they can insure you and how much it will cost. They will look at your medical history, current health, and other health factors. This process is crucial for life, health, and disability insurance. So, the first process in medical underwriting is they will review your medical history to see if you have had any illnesses, surgeries, or ongoing health issues. This helps them predict any future health problems you might have that could lead to insurance claims. Next, they will assess your current health through a questionnaire and sometimes a physical exam. They want to know if you have any existing health problems or if you are receiving treatment for anything. This gives them a clear picture of your health right now and any risk you might pose. They also consider things like your height, weight, and body mass index, which is BMI. These measurements can indicate if you are at risk for conditions like heart disease or diabetes, which affect your overall health and potential insurance costs. Lastly, they might ask for recent medical tests like blood work or imaging scans. These tests provide concrete data on your health status, helping them assess the risk of insuring you. In short, medical underwriting is a detailed process where insurers carefully examine your medical history, current health, and test results to decide if they can offer you insurance and at what price. So, that's all from me.
Hello guys, my name is Shasha Shuhada. Now I will explain about non-medical underwriting. What do you guys know about non-medical underwriting? Non-medical underwriting is a process used by insurance companies to evaluate and approve insurance applications without requiring the applicant to undergo a medical examination. Instead of a physical exam, the insurer relies on information provided by the applicants such as gender, age, patient, lifestyle, and medical history, along with data from other sources like prescription drug database and previous insurance applications. This approach is often used for certain types of life insurance policies, such as simplified issue and guarantee issue policies, which are designed to provide coverage quickly and with minimal hassle. Non-medical underwriting can be advantageous for individuals who prefer a faster, less invasive application process, though it might result in higher premiums or lower coverage amounts compared to policies that require full medical underwriting. Underwriting involves determining how healthy you are, whether or not you are a good driver, and other factors that could contribute to a lower life expectancy. One step that is usually part of underwriting for traditional life insurance plans is a medical exam. For most people, this isn't a big deal, but if you have a chronic conditions or a troubling family medical history, getting approved for a policy or for an affordable policy can be difficult. If you are denied coverage and something happens to you, your family could be left in a scary financial situation without the financial or caregiving support you provided. If you're nervous about this happening to you, applying for non-medical life insurance may be the best option. Non-medical plans are not fully underwritten products, so you will not have to take a medical exam. You may not even have to answer questions about your health depending on the type of non-medical plan you choose. They also give approval even for people in high risk categories. Non-medical life insurance isn't just for people in poor health, although that is the primary reason why people search and apply for this type of policy. It's not just the medical exam that gets skipped in a non-medical life insurance application, but the entire underwriting process. This means that people with dangerous jobs or hobbies, people with resolved criminal records, and other adults who otherwise have a hard time finding the life insurance can still get quality coverage. And then, just as some products have different price for various versions, insurance companies differentiate between smokers and non-smokers. This impacts your premium rates. These policies do not require any health information and are typically available to everyone regardless of their health condition. They usually have the highest premium and lower coverage amounts and may have a waiting period before full benefits are payable. Overall, non-medical underwriting is often preferred for its convenience and speed, making it an attractive option for those who may not want to undergo a medical exam or need coverage quickly. However, it can be more expensive than policies that require full medical underwriting due to the increased risk taken on by the insurer. That's all from me. Next presenter, Intan.
In this part, we will be diving into the case study of Farid, a 27 years old firefighter with a passion of scuba diving. We will explore how his lifestyle influences his insurance needs and the complexities involved in providing him with appropriate coverage. Let's start with some background on Farid. At 27 years old, he has been a firefighter for 7 years, a job that demands both physical fitness and courage. Outside of work, he enjoys scuba diving, which adds an adventurous twist to his life. Given these details, Farid is considering a 100,000K endowment insurance policy for 30 years, which also includes personal accident coverage. Farid's current health is tough thanks to his physically demanding job. However, firefighting comes with long-term health risks due to exposure to smoke and toxins. His hobby, scuba diving, also introduces risks like decompression sickness and pressure injuries. Regular health assessments are part of his routine, but both his profession and hobby contribute to a unique risk profile. Beyond health, let's look at non-medical factors. Farid's occupation as a firefighter is high risk, involving exposure to dangerous situations by increasing premiums and possibly leading to specific exclusions. His stable income is a positive factor. On the other hand, his scuba diving hobby, classified as high risk, poses potential dangers such as drowning or bar trauma, further affecting his insurance term. The purpose endowment insurance for Farid offers dual benefit life insurance and savings. With a 100,000 ringgit payout at the end of 30 years, it supports long-term financial goals, including retirement. However, Farid's high-risk lifestyle will likely influence the premiums. The personal accident coverage is crucial, given his job and hobby providing financial protection against accidental death, injury, or disability, even at a higher cost or even with specific conditions. Now, let's look into the underwriting concepts. Farid's job and hobby place him in high-risk category, impacting the insurance classification and premium calculation. Underwriters must consider his age, health, occupation, and hobbies to price his premiums accurately. We also need to examine potential policy conditions like exclusions for job-related injuries and diving accidents. Farid's awareness of his risk demonstrates the concept of moral hazard, where his insurance decisions are influenced by his lifestyle. To give context, let's compare Farid's situation with similar high-risk occupation and hobbies. Jobs like construction or aviation share similar high premiums and stringent policy conditions. Hobbies such as skydiving or motor racing also result in higher premiums and restrictive terms. Combining these high-risk factors required comprehensive risk assessment and tailored underwriting to ensure adequate coverage.
We move to the part recommendation and suggestion. First thing foremost, what is suggestion for underwriting for its policy? There are two type example, which is occupational risk and scuba diving risk. This is to understand his health status, including any prior injury or health condition related to his profession. Next, the recommendation for risk management. As an insurer, they should recommend to Farid a regular health checkup to monitor fitness, ongoing safety training, and also update a protocol to prevent workplace accident. More than that, for scuba diving, education on safe practices is a must, staying within certified limit and diving with a reputable operators. This is promoting awareness of diving risk and for his safety. The next part, which is pricing consideration. Insurers should consider Farid's age, health status and coverage amount, and policy term when determining the premium. Structuring the policy with a balanced approach ensures affordability for Farid while providing comprehensive coverage that meet his financial protection. Not only that, pricing consideration should also include adjustment based on underwriting findings related to Farid's specific risk factors for ensuring transparency and fairness. Last but not least is final underwriting decision. This is due to providing Farid with a detailed explanation of the underwriting decision, including the premium amount and the coverage term, ensure transparency and help him to understand the value of the insurance policy.
Hi guys, my name is Karina Tiavanti. So today I will continue our presentation with the topic is life insurance underwriting. So I will talk about my part, which is conclusion. So here we go. In summary, in life insurance, we know that underwriting is a complex and dynamic process that aims to strike a balance between the interests of the insured and the insurer. So, underwriters are crucial to preserving the sustainability and integrity of life insurance product because they carefully assess risk, set reasonable premiums, and follow all applicable regulations. So here, life insurance underwriting can be divided into two types of writing, such as medical underwriting and non-medical underwriting. So these two types of underwriting have shared some similarity, which is to analyze the risk involved in providing personal insurance. Not only that, finding the right premium rate based on the degree of risk. So next, they also have differences, which is non-medical underwriting give a quicker and more convenient choice for customer looking for a deep or simplified coverage, while medical underwriting delivers a comprehensive and accurate risk assessment appropriate for greater cover plan. So we go to the next part, which is what the importance of comprehensive underwriting. So guys, if you guys want to know, comprehensive underwriting is also important for life insurance. Why? This is because comprehensive underwriting is to protection against adverse selection, fraud, regulated compliance, enhanced predicting analytics, and others. So one example that I can share to you guys is the comprehensive underwriting can help identify and protect fraudulent application by through a verification process of the data submitted by application helps insurance lower the possibility of fraud. So guys, we go to the next part of the conclusion is price the case study who just now present by presenter impact. So here we know that in the case study, Farid's story emphasizes the difficulties associated with risk management and underwriting for those who have a high risk life. The life insurance plans are essential to strike a compromise between long-term savings and financial security and the needs of his daring hobbies and dangerous profession. The ability of insurers to comprehend and manage the particular risks connected to Farid's profile allow them to provide him with a policy that guarantees financial security and peace of mind. So that's all from us. Thank you listening and watching our video. Bye!